Right now, let's talk about how you can get the iPhone Vivid filter on your Android, right? So, a lot of people don't know that part of your Android camera, especially if you have a Samsung, you can go there and using the built-in solution, you can tap on the layer icon at the top of the page, and this makes the filters appear. And you can see that there are plenty of them available, but I would say that the third one, or like this one right here, looks very similar to the Vivid filter on the iPhone. There are obviously filters like the Vivid Warm, which can also be replicated right here. It's more of this like reddish looking color, which is the overlay of your photos, right? So you can explore these options. But outside of that, you can also get some dedicated photo editor, which lets you play with the photos by yourself if you want to. For example, you can get the Lightroom or Snapseed, and those apps let you play with the color curves and the temperatures and all of the stuff which you might want to apply to your photos to go for a certain style. So yeah, you can go ahead and just adjust it, right? I can see that the Vivid filter on my iPhone just makes things a little bit brighter, so you could adjust the brightness a little bit, and it also makes it look kind of like cooler looking in terms of the color and temperature, so you can dial down the temperature to make it a little cooler, and you are going for the same kind of vivid looking effect that we have on the iPhone. So I personally like to capture my photos at the original state without any filters in place, and then I like to add my custom effects later. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you managed to do what you wanted. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later in the next tutorials, but most definitely subscribe so yeah, we can catch each other later.